That was the biggest aftershock. Ambot, gidanag man siguro to. Ambot nga nung wala siya nakakita. Masig siya wala.
Nipadangat through his privilege speech si Bocal Tiding Martinez, nagpangutana siya asa man ang provincial government kung isgutan ang relief and recovery efforts. Nganuman, nagpangutana siya, what's your take on that, Gov?
That was the biggest aftershock. Ambot, gidanag man siguro to. As early as 11 p.m. on the night of the earthquake, I already started the Emergency Operations Center here in the Capitol. I called already all the department heads, including our team here in the governor's office. And we were meeting with all OCD and also with the DPWH. We were doing assessment already, PNP. I went to the command center. Doctors were already deployed at 2 a.m. I was already on the ground by 7 p.m. But the team, our advisor here, Dr. Nikki, was already on the ground by 5 a.m. Dito na sila. Ambot nga nung wala siya nakakita. Masig siya wala.
There was no proper coordination. What can you say with that?
No, that night, Mayor Edwin Salibangon called me already and told me that the state of Medellin. And also my Chief of Staff, James Canoy, was in contact with the mayors, At least 3 mayors, right? 4 mayors, And some did not reply. But really, we reached out to them. Actually, on Saturday, I was on my way. I was in Tabuelan. We were supposed to proceed to the other towns, Sugod and Tabugon, but the traffic was tremendous, as you know, no? So wala man ko helicopter, magsalig man ko sa military, so mo nga wa na ko madayon og suroy nila. But that doesn't mean na wa ko ni coordinate nila. We reach out to them. Yeah, but the time man said good, they're also victims, no? They have to take care of their people. So they said make a blame nila kung wa sila nakatubag namo. But really, we reached out. Yeah. But on my end, on my part, I really allowed. One of the first thing that I did was to contact national agencies, Office of the President. I reached out to them. So I allowed them to come to the province and help us. And that's why I was also assuming they wouldn't mind that I also go down on the ground and help them.